How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I just want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. This channel here will never ask you for a dime. Will never ask you for anything, guys. Only support I need is you. Like, share, and subscribe. And anybody I mention in these videos, I always try to remember to leave a link in the description below. Support everybody in our awesome community, guys. That's all I ask for. Love this community. This community is the best community in the world, and I don't even know where to begin how much I love this community, guys. All right. As y'all well know, Tom put a video out for me, here. It's been a little while back now, and I've been gone for a while. My wife almost died on me, and but she didn't, thank God. And if it wasn't for y'all, I don't know what I'd have done. Yeah, she's finally, she's out of the hospital. She's home with us. She is doing great, guys. She is really doing good. She has a nurse that comes sees her about once a week or so. She is really, really doing good. I'm going to tell you guys right now, if you're ever in the hospital, my wife's been battling a very, very rare and very bad disease for years now. And I don't know how to explain it to you, but I feel that personally they're trying to kill her in the hospital, and y'all might think I'm wrong or whatever, but she's been battling this for a long time, and the doctors kept saying, well, there's nothing we can do. She's at the end of her disease. She's progressed to down here. She's, nothing we can do, guys. They give us a couple of options, and they pushed. I mean, they almost badgered us. Well, they did badger us. They really tried to get us to go home on hospice, and that wasn't happening. My wife has a lot more life to live than go home on hospice. She is a fighter, always has been. She's strong-willed, very independent, and she is pulling through this, guys. Let me tell you, if it wasn't for every one of your prayers out there, if it wasn't for God above, my wife wouldn't be here today. I do wholeheartedly believe it, and I don't want to bring y'all down or nothing, but she is doing great. I mean, prayers all over the world. That just, oh, guys, I love you guys. Thank you. She really appreciates you. She loves you too. My wife's not one to get on camera or nothing, so you'll never see her on camera here, but we do appreciate y'all so much. Everything y'all have done. All the prayers, the letters, the phone calls, everything. It's family. Oh, family has just been crucial to this. I mean, our family has been there. Kids come in from New York, and oldest boy and his wife help take care of us. Everybody's been doing good. I think everything's kind of back to where, hopefully, knock on wood, we're doing good. I got her out of the house today. I took her. Well, she didn't get out or nothing because she can't. I mean, she can, but But I took her for a ride, and we went to the grocery store and went and got something to eat and come home. And she's really doing good, guys. And all right, I can't. There's so many people to thank. Tom, Robert Bishop for all the phone calls, Justin, J Hart, Rob, I mean, Time Machine. I mean, I'm sorry, guys, I can't list everybody. Matter of fact, there was a video this morning. Um, uh, Mike, thank you, buddy. Love you. Love all you guys. Uh, I can't express and uh, tell you how much I really do mean everything meant to me. Phil, Tony, everybody. Come on, guys. I love you all. I'll try to list a lot of these people in the bottom of this description. And all I ask for, guys, if you're listening to me, go subscribe and sub these guys. There's so many more, and I'm forgetting names, and I'm trying not to. And if I have forgot your name, I'm sorry. And if you made a video for me or something, and I haven't got there to see it, because I haven't been watching a whole lot of videos, guys, please contact me and say, hey, I got a video out. I'd like for you to see it. And because other than that, I mean, I'm so far behind on everything. You know, I'm never going to get caught up. And two, with everything going on, you know, I've had group builds going on with. I was supposed to be in the Rob, the fat fenders, fins and chrome group build. I'm going to have to withdraw from that. Sorry, maybe next year, Rob. And you know, I hadn't made the video, and I told you I'd get in, and it's just not going to happen anytime soon. I'm sorry, Paul from Left Coast Model Car Builds. I told you I'd get in your group build. It's just not going to happen. I have finished up Tom Ramblers 69's appreciation group build, and I will do a video on that, and I'll get that out maybe sometime this weekend. Yeah, I'm just not going to do group builds for a while, guys. I will work on models, and I'm going to try to make videos. Maybe not as many as I have before, but I'll be making videos. As you know, I got a little more on my plate, but everything's doing great. So I mean, we're good. I've been commenting on a few videos here and there, guys. I've been slowly trying to get back into some, and yeah, I can't get to all of them, but I'm trying. You know, I try to get here and there. You know, when I see one pop up, if I got the time. Love you guys. You know, you mean the world to me. This community is the best. I hate withdrawing from group builds, but you know, well, I guess I'll just work on models, or maybe I might do some unboxings, or you know, whatever, for you guys to have content out there for you. And I will keep working and building models. Don't worry, I'll put stuff out there. It's just I just don't want to commit to group builds and not be able to finish them. That's the thing about that. You know, if I start a model tomorrow, who knows when I'll get to work on it again. So I mean, you know, that way I'm not committed to anything. But on the brighter side, I got home, you know, and everything and stuff, and waiting on the doorstep were a couple of packages. So this is going to be a mail call, and I'll start with, everybody knows Model Cars with Glenn. He contacted me here back before all this happened and asked me, said, hey, I got a vintage model box, and he says, I don't want to throw it out, and I know you love your vintage models. He said, would you care, you want this model box? And I said, yeah. And y'all, a lot of y'all know who he is, but if you don't, get over there and subscribe to Glenn Horton. He is amazing. And this is what he sent me. This is the original 57 T-Bird, customizing 3-in-1 box stock, custom stylized, whatever, you know. This is the box. The box is, you know, in fairly decent shape. Look at that. Chrome engine, you know, all the parts and everything. And I said, shoot, yeah, I want that. And matter of fact, if y'all remember when I went to Kentucky last year, and I seen me and old Tim from Throttle Power got together and stuff. We went to it was an antique mall, toy mall, whatever and stuff. Well, if y'all remember, I got the original Thunderbird. This is the original OG Thunderbird. You can see it's even got the chrome engine in it. Never been painted, but they did put the the little, whatever that was, that custom interior stuff they put on it, you know. It's not painted. Does have the engine. You can see underneath it's chrome. But that goes with that box. Thank you, Glenn. Appreciate you, brother. I really, truly do. That was awesome, man. I guess you read my mind. You knew what was up. All right. And then, too, old John from the Scale Reviver. And this is not really a shop card, but I use it as a shop card since I ain't got one right now. But there's old John right there. And he was doing one of them, kind of like the Red Bull Fluntaug or whatever, you know, type things. I don't know what this was over there in England, but that's old John right there. Check him out. He was the Green Hornet. But old John, me and him, we do a little trading back and forth and stuff. He's over there in England and stuff, but he is too gracious, let me tell you. If y'all are not subscribed to John, get over there and subscribe to him. Well, I got a big old box. I was expecting a couple of kits, maybe whatever. I got a big old box full of stuff. And John, your stuff's going out next week, buddy. I'm going to send him back some stuff too. But this is a variety of stuff, and it's pretty daggum neat. First of all, I'm going to start with the smallest. First of all, he knows I love my small scale build. You know, last time he sent me something, he sent me like a Riley, or what was that thing? It's a Rover. A Rover. Little Rover. Little Ford Rover. Ford Rover. What am I saying? A Rover, not a Ford. A Revell Rover. A little like 140, 40 something scale. Awesome little kit. Vintage kit too. Old. Well, he sent me this right here. If y'all seen in one of his videos, he got a whole stack full of these really cheap. And I know this is train scale. This is HO scale. This is 1/87th scale. But check out that. It's old Ford truck and van. Moving van. And let me tell you, this is train stuff, but it's still a model kit. And it's super small, and it is freaking amazing. Look at all the little parts in there. Thing's even got an engine detail for being as small as this thing. It's got a piano and all kinds of stuff in it for the van. You know, it's like a moving van service. Very cool. Very cool. That might be my small scale group build when it comes around. You know, me and Brian host that. I can't miss out on my own group build though, guys. And then, he knows I love my MGs. And I was saying one day in one of the videos, you know, when I was showing on my MGs, I said I didn't have the Airfix version of the Aoshima kit. Well, John strikes again. Here is an Airfix MGB. He knows we love our British cars. I got an MGB GT sitting in the backyard, and we got the little midget we've been building. Yeah, love the British cars. And then, let me show you something. Some of you guys are going to get jealous and mad, but look at this. That is the original monogram with a box. Now, it's a builder kit, but it is 100% complete and in great shape. 1/24 scale Little Deuce. That's amazing. That is a great kit. Look there. Daryl Starbird. Got a little bit of paint on the box, but hey, I don't care about that. That box will display just fine. And every bit of it's in there. It's a started kit, but it's all there, guys. The original instructions, down to everything. My God. John, man. Love you, brother. That wasn't it. I mentioned him one day when I was watching his video. I said, man, I have got to get me one of those. He's showing all the show car videos. I said, I have got to get one of them little T's. I haven't got one Look at there. The original little T. And y'all know what the big T is. The 1/8 scale. This is the original monogram little T. Now that is amazing right there, guys. The wheels even turn. Look at this. That's not a restorer. That is just put it in the case, the display cabinet, and you just leave it alone. There's nothing else I can do to that. That is Survivor from the 60s, guys. Amazing. Well, that's not all. He knows I love my Johans. He knows I love AMC cars, AMXs, Javelins, Ramblers, you name it, Hornets, whatever. Look at there. Look at that. Javelin. The swoop back Javelin like that. Look at there. Promo. That thing is in great shape. God. But that's not all. He sent me a project that he had got. He thought I'd appreciate it. That is a Johan body. It is a Johan Hornet, AMC Hornet, that somebody had started making a funny car out of, and cut it, stretched it, made it look really proportionate to a funny car, what a funny car would look like. That's like a Revell, I think it's a Revell chassis, funny car chassis. Now that is going to be an awesome builder, guys. That is going to be an awesome builder. But that's not all. That is not all. Last, certainly not least, the creme de la creme, the coup de grace, as Mr. B.G. Bryan would say, a mint condition Hornet funny car. Never been built. Everything's bagged and still on the trees, untouched. Look at that. Guys. John, love you, buddy. Alright, I guess this is going to be it. Let's see, Eric, I'll get your shop card out hopefully tomorrow. And there was somebody else wanting a shop card, and I can't remember for the life of me right now. I'm going to have to remember. I'll get it out. I'll get your shop cards out. But the main reason for this video is to thank you guys for the prayers. And I do mean the prayers are everything, let me tell you guys. And keep praying for Jeff's family. He lost his daughter-in-law. And I feel for him. I do. I do. Pray. Pray for their healing. Alright, guys. Love you. Thank you. Bye.